Hi there. This week we answered a question, should you have more or faster RAM? But first, I'm Steve. This is TQA Weekly. And did you know that too much RAM can slow down your computer eventually? I have to ask this so that you understand where the balance comes from. The reason I'm saying eventually is that processors are what you have to deal with when it comes to your RAM and how the memory is allotted and how all of the tasks are executed on the system. After all, it is the processor allotting the data to the RAM. And the more memory it has to address, the longer it's going to take to address. So basically it comes down to this. Should you have more or faster RAM? Well, the answer is simpler than that. You should have the right amount of RAM. So the maximum your applications need, and maybe focus on faster, not more. Better quality RAM will give you a much better experience than having too much RAM. After all, at one point, your system won't be able to saturate all that RAM. However, all that empty RAM will slow down your processor. And I hope you understand why better RAM, faster RAM, in many cases, is better than more RAM itself. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can do things such as view the show notes of this episode, pass others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games on my Twitch stream, go to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, and there is a schedule that will be posted. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.